We consider quality, features, and value when narrowing down our list of the top 5 best steam mops for hardwood floors. Number 5. Steam & Go MultiPurpose Electric Steam Mop. While this mop works as an all-in-one solution for almost any type of floor in your home, its performance on hardwood floors does not disappoint. The Steam & Go MultiPurpose Electric Steam Mop is a versatile mop that will easily tackle messes on hardwood, tile, and laminate floors. It can also steam clean carpet, metal, and fabric. Regardless of what you use it for, you can trust its powerful steam to clean deeply and lift away any dirt or grime, even in grout. Its unique shape allows it to get into corners that other steamers have a hard time reaching, ensuring every inch of your hardwood flooring stays clean. Number 4. OApier S8 Steama. This steam mop features a large head that can effortlessly swivel 360 degrees into and around corners, as well as hard-to-reach areas including under tables, chairs, and sinks. At the simple push of a button, you can activate the steam with only a 20-second wait before it's heated and ready to go. It uses superheated steam as hot as 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which provides a potent 99.9% sanitation. The balance features and convenience make it a very good option for homes with hardwood floors. Number 3. Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is a great choice for cleaning sealed hardwood floors with ease. It can clean about 2 times faster than similar steam mops because of the flip-down scrubber that lifts away sticky messes and grime. The 23-foot power cord leaves you free to move over a large span of floor without having to plug the cord into a closer outlet. The swivel head allows easier access to hard-to-reach places, and the digital steam control lets you adjust the intensity when moving from hardwood to other types of flooring. Number 2. Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System. The Shark Genius cleaning system is a great option that features a specialized double-sided washable pad that effortlessly grips onto and lifts dirt and grime from the floor. There are also 3 steam control settings that will allow you to adjust the intensity depending on the type of floor and type of mess that you are currently cleaning. With a quick once-over on the lowest setting, your hardwood floors will be clean and shiny. When finished, you simply toss it into the washing machine instead of washing it by hand like you do with a traditional mop. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Bissell PowerFresh Slim Hardwood Floor Steam Cleaner System. Perfect for cleaning rooms with nooks and crannies that are otherwise difficult to access, the Bissell PowerFresh Slim Hardwood Floor Steam Cleaner System is a quick and effective way to keep your hardwood floors looking spotless. With steam on demand, digital controls, an easy fill water tank, and an ultra-long 25-foot power cord, you can have all of your floors clean and looking great with little effort. The package also includes a kit that allows you to easily bring specialized tools including a flat scraper tool, angle tool, grout tool, and a bristle scrub brush. Sometimes finding the right tool for the job can be frustrating, which is why we are only interested in the best options available for your needs. With the right steam mop, keeping your hardwood floors clean is as easy as ever. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these items. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion.